If you're looking for that one-stop shopping paddleboard set that has everything that you need to get going, I've got the one for you. I'm Gina with WTI. I've been paddleboarding for several seasons, and as soon as I hopped on this board from NACATIN, I knew it was high quality and exactly what I wanted to ride. This has the ultimate versatility because it comes with a kayak seat, which means you can quickly switch between kayaking to paddleboarding. And with the placement of the D-rings, you can move the seat out of the way or move it back into place. So you can easily switch between the two. One of my favorite features of this board is that it has Velcro straps to hold my paddle. This makes carrying it so much easier. As a tip, when you're folding up the board, put the hand pump in the middle, and then you'll actually be able to fit everything inside. This is really the all-inclusive package. You get the adjustable paddle with optional double paddles on that, a hand pump, a backpack, a safety leash, the dry bag, a repair kit, a phone case. This is everything that you need. This is stable, fun to ride, and glides through the water like a dream. This board is ideal for my lake days or trips to the river. You could use it for solo adventures or family trips. I definitely recommend this board for all of your summer fun, and that's my point of view.